So today we're going to talk about the 50% rule.
So if you're looking to purchase a home that was built prior to 1971, as we discussed in the video last week, it's probably non-conforming and it probably needs some upgrades. But there's actually only a certain amount of money that you're allowed to spend on upgrading that property due to the 50% rule.
Absolutely. Now, this might be an extreme example, but there could be a situation where the piece of land is worth $3 million, but the value of the structure that sits on the land might only be $50,000. And if that's the case, the county would only allow you to spend $25,000 in renovations before that property has to be brought up to modern day code, which modern day code would be raising the elevation of that property, which really leads to these properties being pulled down, which we see a lot of throughout our area, obviously. So if you are looking to purchase property that was built prior to 1971, you need to understand exactly how much money you could spend on that property if you wanted to do renovations so that you can make it exactly what you want it to be.
Yeah, and you may actually find that it's not even worth it. You're better off either tearing the home down and starting again or going to buy something else.
Absolutely. Now, if you want any more information on this, please feel free to pick up the phone anytime because we'd love to talk to you more about the 50% rule.
Like this video, love it, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next week on
Sell It Proper. It's the, what is it frigging called?
I don't know what you're trying
If
to
like,
say. I've got cookies on my top.
Okay, do you want me to go?
Yep. Stop
Why don't you start?
What the 50% rule means
Wait, don't talk to me.
Let's go to the blooper reel.
I've been told. Bye.
Okay.
Like this.
So